I'm going to show you how you can perform a coolant pressure test. You will need a coolant pressure pump. This set I have different adapters, a little deeper, screw on type, and I got a universal. Today I'll be using the dipper one for import. Just set it, make sure it's loose, make sure everything is tight. Apply pressure, check on the cap. It will give you the pressure reading. On this vehicle is 16 psi. So when you apply the pressure, do not go over 16 psi. And if it goes up to 16 psi, just let it sit. You might have a very small leak, and just start looking for the leak. Just apply pressure. On this one, I already know where the leak is, so it's not gonna get too much pressure. But if you can see, there's a cracked radiator. But normally just put pressure and just start looking for a leak on hoses, around water pump, around the cylinder head, radiator. Look under the vehicle. Whatever you see water falling, just trace it up to the engine and follow. That's pretty much